This is Agaji Ogonebiko from Chevron Water Treatment, Chevron plumber, stroke pool attendant. Chevron should forgive me. Chevron should give me the paper. Chevron, go back now. Chevron should forgive me. Chevron should forgive me. Should forgive me. Not that I deliberately try to tarnish the image of Chevron, but what I'm doing, I'm being forced to the wall. I'm doing this on behalf of the full workers, the maintenance team in Rec Center, that we are crying upon the world, the directors of Chevron. The directors of Chevron, they are innocent of what is going on. They are innocent of what is going on. They are maltreating us in the yard. Seriously, they force us to sign paper yearly. They force us to write an application every year. We work with a director called Besico for the past 13 years. We are former NIDA workers. Besico took over from them. For the past 13 years, they refused to give us payoff after the contractor left the yard. They intimidate most of our staffs. They sacked them because of they refused us not to enter to unionize by NUPENG. They frustrated the effort of NUPENG. That is why we are calling upon the whole world to help us out, to save our soul. The judiciary, the Nigerian judiciary, after winning them series of cases, we won them. They refuse to obey the laws of the land. The FM department, some of the FM department, the management, some of them, they refuse to obey the laws of the land. The labor, Minister of Labor wrote a letter to them that NUPENG should unionize these people. They refuse to obey the law. We do not have CBA. We work with chemicals. Chevron is well known all over the world. Chevron is a good, very good, reputable company, well recognized all over the world. Well recognized. We are working with chemicals, dangerous chemical that is hazardous. They refuse to give us medical for the past how many years? Past 13 years plus. They refuse to give us medical. So they want to kill us. Do they want to kill us? That is why I'm crying upon the whole world to assist us. I'm doing this video in my own house because of intimidation. I don't want the management to intimidate me. That is why I'm doing it in my own house. They have planned a series of assassinations. They want to assassinate me and my family, my 3 children and my wife. They want to assassinate us. That is why I'm doing this video in my house. The whole world should come to our aid. The whole world should come to me. They should assist me. I'm ready to do the job. We are ready to do the job with Chevron. Chevron is a very nice company. They are paying these big men, these so-called big men in FM. They are paying a very good money. But they still temper with our money. A technician in Chevron, our money is not up to even 100,000. It's not up to 95,000. Technician in Chevron, we are the poorest. Some are receiving 60,000. Some are 70. Some are 80. No overtime. A whole Chevron working as a technician, no overtime be recorded. The world should come to our aid. We are ready to work. But if they don't want to, if they don't need our service no more, they should pay my money into my account. I'm speaking for myself now because I don't know the mind of the other people. I know they are crying every day, but I'm speaking for myself now. My account number is on the wall. My account number is there. They should pay my money into my account. They should not pay my money through these people, through the FM department. Some of them, they are bad. They should not pay my money to them because they will seize the money. In 2013, they paid all our co-technicians, Topcom, Mayard, Prodeco, Rec Center, the same job we are doing. They paid them 10 million naira and above. The same job we are doing, they refuse to give us our own. That is why I'm saying, if you are paying any money to me, pay it into my own account. I don't want it to pass through these people. I have made the first video when I dressed with the PP of Chevron. I dressed very well in the first video. This is the second video. Because of the intimidation attempt, I could not video now very well. We have electricians, plumber, AC technicians. We have incinerators workers, water treatment plumbers. You name it. Oh, we are all technicians, but they are paying us as if we are gardeners. We are crying upon the leaders of the whole world. Pastor TB Joshua, the Manuel TV and his partners, Bill Gates, all the comedians, all the sons, all the activists, all the musicians, we are crying upon them to assist us talk to Chevron so that they will talk to their subcontractors. We are tired. I am not a coward. I'm speaking on behalf of all workers that is working under all multinational companies all over the world, because there are many people that are cowards, that they cannot speak their mind. I will always speak my mind, because I know our Excellency Muhammad Buhari is in my back. Not anybody will fit do me. The Manuel TV and his partner, TB Joshua, is in my back. Not anybody will fit do me. All the governors, all the sons, they're in my back. There's nothing anybody can do me. All the activists, all the Bakoba, all the strong activists in Africa and the whole world, they are behind me. I know, as I'm saying it, they will plant security at the gate. They will not allow me to enter the premises again. But I don't care. All I know, give me my payoff, let me go. Enough is enough. Give me my payoff, let me go. If you don't need my services again, give me my payoff, let me go. Give us our payoff. The workers are there. Our former human resources, Oga Shewo, he said it, that do we have money to judge case? That Chevron, if I'm lying, people should come down. The directors of Chevron should come down. All the activists should come down and ask from the workers one by one. The human resources said it, Mr. Shewo said it, that do you people have money that Chevron can bribe as far to the presidency? That do you people have money? Is it not open? They are our people. So automatically bribing is going on. Management as a management, as a staff of a company of Chevron, you are having a contract inside Chevron. Is that not conflict of interest? You are bringing your children, your sisters, your brothers, your girlfriends and brothers and sisters and all the rest. Is that not conflict of interest? The whole world should come to our aid. That is the code of Chevron. That is, we call it conflict of interest. The directors, they are innocent of what I'm saying. They don't know anything about what I'm saying. If you pass through them, they will always deceive you. Come to the workers and ask questions directly. Every day, the workers do shed tears when they are holding safety meeting. Our mindset is being shattered. As we are working, we are not happy. People are complaining. And we are working with dangerous electrical equipment. Big plants. Water treatment, strong electrical work there. Chemicals, chlorine, hydrated lime. We are working with all those things. No medical, no housing, no feeding. Hey, in our own country, I'm not a coward. I have to speak my mind. I'm not a coward. All the comedians, Agodine, Basketman, AY, and the other ones that I cannot mention their name, got the video. They should come to our aid. They should speak on behalf of us. My daddy, TB Joshua, your regular viewer, nothing they will fit to me with the help of God through you. And the partners, there is nothing these people can do me. That is why I'm speaking my mind, because I'm not a coward. If Chevron, if they are coming to visit Warri, Rec Center Warri, Chevron Rec Center Warri, they should not inform them. They should come unannounced. They should come unannounced. My son now that is videoing me is in the house. There's no money to take off. There's no money to sponsor his school. No money. He's in the house for more than 6 months now. He's in the house. There's no money. Come, let the whole world see your face. Come, let the whole world see your face.
Please help us. Please help my daddy. Please help us. Please help my daddy. Please help us. Please help us. Please help my daddy. Please help us.
I'm not seeing it. Eh? You see it? Eh? You come down. It's like you don't know. You're not sure. Eh?
Please help us. Please help my daddy. Please help us. Please help my daddy. Please help us. Please help us.
Dear, come. Let us see you.
Please help my daddy. Please help us. Please help us. Please help us. Please help my daddy. Please help us.
Speak out. Let them hear your voice.
Please help us. Please help us. Please help us.
This is my wife. She cannot dress very well. Look at the way she dressed, very tattered. Oh, the whole world should come to our aid. The whole world should come to our aid. That is why I'm crying upon the whole world that they should come to our aid. That they should come to our aid. That I'm not a coward. That I always speak on behalf of the workers. I will always speak. Our president, the Excellency Muhammadu Buhari, his own agenda is change. This change must come. This so-called change, must come down to the oil sector. They should come down to people who are suffering. People